Today we're going to be changing out this DEF cover, part of the fairing here. It doesn't take long at all to get done. However, you'll see a bunch of them just from people or drivers flipping them up too hard. Not this actual cap here, but this piece. So the first thing you're going to do is remove the actual step fairing. The only thing you're going to need for this is a flathead screwdriver. As you can see, it's held in here, here, and on the sides right here. So all you got to do is just pop those off or get them to break, pop loose. And you kind of tilt it over. You'll remove the actual assembly. And what you'll notice is this one was broke because right here there's one bar per section that runs, and it was broken. So all you do, go get the new part and replace it. So once you put it back in, you're obviously going to have to just apply very little pressure because it is plastic, and obviously they're made to where they have to be replaced. But if you push it in from one side, those clips, you just want to make sure that they're lined back up. This looks like there's light coming through, but that's actually a seal. So just go through, make sure it's flush, and it is good to go. And we'll just put it back on. Just line up that slot to the bottom. Make sure it sits right. And then we just lock it down.